India has launched 104 satellites, making it a world record. Xiaomi says over 3 million Redmi 3S units were sold in India in less than 6 months. Uber and Ola drivers are on their 5th day of strike. Today is Wednesday, February the 15th, and this is 360 Daily. Today is a big day for India's space ambitions. ISRO has launched 104 satellites on a single rocket, and it has broken a record. India beats Russia's previous record of launching 37 satellites in 2014. The rocket that carried these 104 satellites is the PSLV C-37. The main satellite is India's Cartosat-2, which will be used to take high-resolution pictures for Earth observation. Along with these were another 103 nano satellites. Now this was in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. In Bengaluru, Indian Air Force gets a new game-changing aircraft that's called Netra. Now this airborne warning aircraft can detect an enemy aircraft from more than 300 kilometers away. The aircraft will fly from its base in Bhatinda in Punjab. Reliance Jio has told Delhi High Court that TRAI, telecom regulator, has declared their free offers legitimate. This is after Vodafone had sought a plea to look at Reliance Jio's aggressive pricing. TRAI had said that Jio wasn't violating any norm. TRAI seems to have a lot going on. They've pushed the date for net neutrality commence to March 15th. The regulator was working on framing rules around net neutrality and had opened their consultation paper for comments. Xiaomi says over 3 million Redmi 3S smartphones were sold in India within 3 months. Xiaomi Redmi 3S and 3S Prime smartphones were launched in August. Xiaomi became #2 smartphone vendor during Q4 calendar year 2016. Xiaomi has another product that's out, and it's not a smartphone, it's a smart ukulele, and it's called Populele. It has LED lights on the fingerboard and an app which lets you learn over 100 songs. Xiaomi claims that anyone can start playing on Mi Populele in just 5 minutes with the help of the companion app. Now you just have to wait till March end and spend about 4,000 rupees on this ukulele. Meizu M5S is announced, and it has a 5.2-inch HD display with 3 GB of RAM. It has a metal body, fingerprint sensor and 4G voice LTE. Now this is available for about 7,800 rupees in China from the 20th of Feb. Uber and Ola drivers are on their 5th day of strike. The taxi unions have said that they will be on an indefinite strike till their demands are met. They're fighting against low fares and lack of basic amenities from these app-based taxi companies. That's all on this edition of 360 Daily. I'm Devika Chitnis for Gadgets 360. You, my friend, are responsible for this hiccup. Ukulele, kya lele?